Ijele, Sowore and VDM. You people are the biggest promoters of Nnamdi Kanu and his group. And we saw what you people did in Aba, called it a million-man march that not even up to 2,000 people. So I'm now opening, challenging you people. I dare any of you to do your free Nnamdi Kanu protest. Anything happens, their blood will be on you. If they show up, their blood will be on me. My people, please, this is an open announcement to fellow Nigerians, and I want to specifically mention Ijele, Sowore and VDM. You people are the biggest promoters of Nnamdi Kanu and his group. And we saw what you people did in Aba, called it a million-man march that not even up to 2,000 people showed up. And we've been getting some crickets right now from so many quarters. So I'm now opening, challenging you people. I'm now daring you people to test that thing you've been telling Nigerians, that's your strength. Bring it to Imo State. Please. I heard that this idiot, Nonsonkwa, is now urging. I don't even know why he is waiting for Sowore to declare free Nnamdi Kanu protest for him when he himself could simply lead it here in Owerri. I dare any of you to do your free Nnamdi Kanu protest. Now let me tell you how it's going to end, because I know you people will prepare your propaganda to sell and kind of pin it on the government. But I'm telling you, the people you will be meeting are people who have suffered from this IPOP ESN people. I mean, people from Osu LGA, people from Bitoli LGA, people from Olu LGA, people from Jaba LGA, people from Okigwe LGA, many of all these local governments that have been rendered desolate by ESN. I'm telling you that I myself, I will lead them. Whatever the consequences, let it be on my head. Now, I'm going to tell parents, please keep your words at home. Your sons and daughters, keep them at home. If they ever declare this thing, if anything happens, their blood will be on you. If they show up, their blood will be on me. This war has taken a different dimension. Never again would we keep quiet and let these people destroy our state. We've seen that the government does not want to do anything about it. They seem to be nonchalant about it. And we, the ordinary people, have decided, since we are now ruled by mob, let us have our own different mob. We shall see who is. And this one is not social media noise. Don't come here and be commenting nonsense. So fix it, come do it, and let's see if you people we go back. It is not about noise making. I'm not shouting as I'm making this video, and we are not begging anyone not to come. We are not begging you, but we want you to test that your faith. Put that your faith to work. If you really actually believe and fighting for what you believe in, bring your propaganda cameras, bring your crew and everything, camera crews, let them be there to witness it, because all of you we will not stand for this anymore. And never again shall we allow a bunch of criminals decide the fate of our own people. You people know I told you it's not going to be easy for you people. We have been keeping quiet for long, and all this, you people, I just saw your drone. You are flying drone over your mother head. No worry, we will collect. No run. Wanna go see, wanna destruction, how it go happen. All these buying, we wanna buy people for this also. Una go here from Paramosis, we are in Africa. You know the difference between Paramosis and nonsense in Ijele. Our moon when it research, it will see overwhelming firepower. Don't worry when I go here. We are please calling on the Anambra State Governor, Chukuma Soludo. Please, we need help from the Anambra side. Call whomever is in charge of the military base in Onitsha. Let them follow this up from Lille. Iseke. Asia people are not ready for this. They know what the jokes they are playing with these guys, all these criminals. Keep harboring them. But all these communities I just mentioned, Lille and Iseke, if they can push from back, then these fools will be outflanked by the right, outflanked by the left, outflanked from the back, and we will push from the front. Once we clear Badania and push them down into that valley, we will trap them there and destroy every single person there. We will not take surrender. We will not hear a beg, no amount of cry. Let them, you know, you people have not shouted on social media yet, but don't worry. This shame, you will live with it for life. Come see how men are risking themselves to save our communities from the people that say they are fighting for freedom. You see all of you. Thunder will fire you people. We need to create a cauldron. With that cauldron, we squeeze them. Once it happens, Anambra will then be completely liberated. If they can, especially some of these equipments to clear their IEDs, good bulldozers, if the Anambra state government can give us 3 bulldozers or 4 bulldozers, Imo state government give us 4 bulldozers. So many bulldozer operators don't want to come to this side. But if you bring the government bulldozers, then it will be under our own control. We just get the operators, there are army operators who can operate these things. You bring it, you push forward. You don't need to buy those bullets and everything. All those ones have already been provided by the military. But these non-military, but still essential hardware, we need them. With this, we will make sure we clear this once and for all. Their IEDs are what's protecting them, and we are not going to lose soldiers carelessly over this. Please, Governor Hope Uzodinma, we need bulldozers. If you can rent from any of your friends, many of your friends have construction companies, let them lend us 2 bulldozers. You will hear news. Even you, Governor Hope Uzodinma, will be present in Osu today. I'm telling you, by this time tomorrow, you will be visiting Osu with media team. Just give us 4 bulldozers, 2 for him. If you can do it, Mr. Governor, even 2. Give it to us, sound bulldozers, we have the operators, we clear those landmines. Then let them face us. They are not capable of facing us. They know. They've just flown their drone ahead to see our readiness. And I hope they are seeing this in Paramosis. Make thunder fire them, make we show them. They are not ready for a fight. But we just need all these things. It may sound simple, but it's the biggest game changer in this field. So as it stands, if you can get them from now till Sunday, Odumeje will come and bury his parents here in Osu. Give us those bulldozers, Odumeje will come and bury his parents in Osu next week. This is what we are asking. Hopefully our wishes will be granted, so we don't come back tomorrow and start wasting money all over again. Thank you.